Welcome to this review of SAP Marketing Cloud, a leading SaaS platform for marketing automation, customer engagement, and data-driven decision-making. In this video, I'll walk you through the platform's features, discuss my experience using it, and help you decide if it's the right tool for your business. Upon logging into SAP Marketing Cloud, you're greeted with a clean and structured dashboard. The interface is built for marketers who need a comprehensive view of customer interactions and campaign performance. The home screen provides quick access to key functionalities, including campaign management, customer insights, lead nurturing, and analytics. The layout is intuitive, but given SAP's enterprise nature, some elements may require a learning curve, especially for beginners. One of the standout features of SAP Marketing Cloud is its advanced segmentation capabilities. The platform allows you to segment audiences using AI-driven analytics, real-time customer data, and predictive modeling. You can create highly targeted campaigns that respond dynamically to customer behavior. This is particularly useful for businesses handling large volumes of customer data, ensuring personalized engagement across different channels. Another core functionality is the omni-channel campaign management system. SAP Marketing Cloud integrates with email, social media, SMS, and even offline channels to provide a unified customer experience. You can create workflows that trigger personalized messaging based on user interactions. The campaign builder itself is user-friendly, offering drag-and-drop functionality and automation tools that simplify complex marketing flows. The analytics and reporting tools are a major advantage. The platform delivers deep insights into customer journeys, engagement rates, and conversion metrics. SAP's AI-powered recommendations help marketers optimize campaigns in real time. However, extracting detailed reports may require some familiarity with SAP's interface and query functions, which might be challenging for users new to enterprise-grade software. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Do this after watching the video. SAP Marketing Cloud also offers strong integration options. As part of the SAP ecosystem, it seamlessly connects with SAP CRM, ERP, and Commerce Cloud solutions, making it a great choice for companies already using SAP products. The integration with third-party tools is also robust, supporting platforms like Salesforce, HubSpot, and Google Analytics. This ensures that marketers can centralize data and maintain a streamlined workflow. Pricing is another key consideration. SAP Marketing Cloud is positioned as an enterprise solution, meaning it may not be the most budget-friendly option for small businesses. The platform is typically priced based on usage and company size, with customized quotes available through SAP sales representatives. While the cost is on the higher end, the value comes from the advanced automation, AI-driven insights, and seamless integrations that can significantly enhance marketing performance. Now, let's talk about some potential downsides. The platform's complexity may be overwhelming for small teams or those new to enterprise software. While it is packed with powerful features, getting the most out of SAP Marketing Cloud often requires training or assistance from SAP consultants. Additionally, the learning curve for setting up workflows and automation can be steep. Unlike some other marketing automation tools that focus on simplicity, SAP Marketing Cloud prioritizes depth and scalability, which might not be ideal for businesses looking for a plug-and-play solution. Overall, SAP Marketing Cloud is a top-tier marketing automation platform that excels in advanced segmentation, omnichannel marketing, and AI-driven analytics. It's a great choice for large enterprises and data-heavy marketing teams that need a comprehensive and scalable solution. However, for smaller businesses or those with limited technical expertise, the complexity and pricing may be deterrents. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth SaaS reviews. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want me to cover another platform in the future.